Mizore here, and I've got another figure review unboxing. This came today, a day late, I might add, from the shipping, but being that it is not a week late, I'm alright with that. I mean, the shipping date was, or the estimated time of arrival was June 22nd to August 12th, so it had a huge window, and it still came late. So I'm kind of upset with that, and the fact that it's damaged, or just the box got dented in, kind of is upsetting. But yeah, this is on the bottom of the box is like not even attached. But this is, or should be, the Mikoto Misaka Sisters Beach Queen. So like Misaka 10032 or something, or whatever her sister name was. But this should be that figure. This is a day after I got my Satsuki Figma, by the way, which I haven't done a review yet. I'm planning on doing the reviews once I get all three of the figures that I have for coming this month. This one, the Figma, and then another one that I ordered, which should come sometime next week. Okay, this is not the figure I expected. This is not the figure I expected. I am in... I am in complete shock right now. This fooled me. This is an Amazon box. This is an Amazon box, and I bought this from eBay. Well, this completely changes everything, now doesn't it? The figure I have here is the Mizore Shirayuki figure from Rosario Vampire. The figure I've wanted. The figure I've wanted more than anything else in the world. This is a super expensive figure. Okay? You do not know how expensive this thing is. I have never let you know how rare this figure is. This figure is incredibly rare. I've only seen about 10 of these for sale at any given time, and now there's only about 4 for sale. I've never seen this thing drop down below $700 in price. Okay? The max I've seen this thing go for is $1,300. Sorry, that's $1,300. I saw this thing go for. Now I only spent $360 on this because it was 50% off on eBay. This is the figure I've wanted more than anything. This is the Shusua Solid Selection number 11. I am like super... Oh my god. I can't believe I got this. So I'm also waiting for the Mikoto Misaka one now. Okay? I thought that was this one. This one wasn't supposed to come until next week. Like, next week, Wednesday the 18th to the 22nd. That was when August. That's when this one was supposed to come. But okay, I guess I'll show you the box. This is the most expensive figure I ever bought. $360 for this thing. I saw it go on sale. I'm like, you know what? Why the hell not? I'm never gonna see this thing this cheap again. So I bought it. I don't care that it was $360. I bought it. Okay. There's the front, the top, and both sides are the same, but that's the side. and the okay, the camera's focusing. That's the side, the top, and the back. Just shows the figure. You're gonna look so beautiful. I can't wait to. And originally, this was like a $30 to $50 figure, I think, when it came out. But it was so popular because Mizore is so popular that it sold out almost immediately, and those that were left basically just skyrocketed in price. I mean, I could literally make money on this thing if I wanted to. I could sell it for a high price and make a couple $100. Yep. There it is. There's the box. Mizore Shirayuki. Now, Mizore, was my anime wife before Ryuko came along. And now she's dropped down to number 2. But still, damn, she's hot. She's the one who changed my favorite color to purple and made me like ice and ice powers and want to be able to control ice. This box is never going anywhere. That's going up on my shelf. Now, there are 2 different types to this figure. There's a limited edition or special edition and the normal one, which is this one. The limited editions aren't for sale anymore, and you rarely ever see them. Basically, what was different in that is, if you haven't seen Rosario Vampire, I suggest you watch it. It's just a good, fun show to watch. Not very good in the sense of like story or characters or anything. It's just a purely fun show to watch. It's an ecchi show, so it's got like lots of panty shots and all that stuff. But also, it's not true to the manga, and the manga is actually a really good series from what I've heard. I'm going to be buying the full set when it comes out sometime in the future. But yeah, it's a fun show to watch. I didn't cut all of it. Okay, but yeah, the limited edition, for those of you who've seen the show, you know Mizore had longer hair at the beginning and then cut it short as like her new appearance and stuff. So the limited edition came with a second head, a longer head. Oh, this figure is so nice. Actually, it's not too nice. I mean, it wasn't a cheap one to begin with, but for the price, I don't really care. Okay, let's I know quite a bit about this figure, and I'll explain to you why the body comes off. The body comes off because the skirt comes off. That's the only reason why the body comes off. And let me just, my friend's gonna be so jealous. Also, her top comes off as well. Seems to be a little stiff, but her top does come off. Her sweater. No, I'm not gonna fiddle with that now. But yeah, her top and skirt does come off. Did I put the skirt on backwards or something? Maybe. Yeah. Is the face? I don't know, I'm gonna have to look at this figure. The base is like super cool. It's got like this ice on it. It's ice. She also has a second hand. You can equip an ice hand. And she also comes with this little ice kunai knife. This little thing right there. That goes in her left hand right there. this hand comes off, and you put in this one, so it's like that. So yeah, definitely not what I was expecting. Even greater that I got this instead of the other one. This is going up immediately. Immediately. No doubt about it. Thank you guys for watching. I guess stay tuned for the review. This, the Figma, and then the Beach Queens, which has still yet to come. I don't know why it hasn't come yet. But thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to check out my other reviews, my other unboxings. And actually in one single day, my Satsuki Kiryu Figma unboxing got over 60 views, and that's quite a lot for me. I've got quite a few likes, comments. Thank you guys for doing all of that. It really means something to me, and it lets me know that people actually watch my stuff and care. So, let me know what you think about this. If you think this was a stupid move, or if you think this was a smart move, or just kind of like, you know what, why not? Yeah, let me know what you think. And I'll see you guys next time on the next unboxing or review, depending if I can get that, Beach Queens soon. So yeah, see you guys later. Bye-bye.